Okay, so now we're going to look at the control panel here, and we've got a 12-button keypad. Every function, you can run this thing manually as long as your screen in the cab is set up for in manual or in auto. It just can't be in the setup screen. You can run these functions manually out here. So your first one is finger open and close. So you just push the button and hold it until the finger opens, and then once it's fully open, you can push it again and the finger will close. The second one is lift arm up. Again, just hold the button and the function will, as soon as you let go, it stops. And the same thing here, we've got lift arm down, cut and hold, open and close. Again, it does one function, so if you hold it, it opens up. If you hold it again, it closes. Hoop rotate, roller rotate, rear roller up, rear roller down. Hoop rotates slow, so if you're trying to rotate the hoop at a slow speed, you just do that. It runs at about half the percentage. Hoop home. Load wrap, so if you're wanting to load wrap on the machine itself, this is where you would hold that button, and the tensioners will come to the left side of the machine in the position where you can load them. And then the last one here is just your night lights. So this will activate your night lights up at the top. One thing to remember is when you've got your lights on the actual buttons, and we kind of lay it out here of what it's actually doing. So if it's in yellow, it's locked out in the software. If it's red, it means you've got an issue. Could be a bad wire going to one of the coils, or it's definitely not communicating. So definitely have a look, find out where that break is happening. Yeah, and so we have our on and off switch. So if you need to shut this machine down as a safety, or if you're just done for the day, you can just flip the switch off and it'll automatically shut the whole unit down, your display in the actual tractor cab too. And then on the side here, on the right side of the control box, we have a legend, and it's just kind of explaining what each function is, and it just gives you a nice spot to be able to remember. If you need to get a hold of somebody, just contact the website at tubeline.ca, or you can call the office and talk to one of the service guys.